advanced version of CSS. Yeah, wait. One by one I'll explain. Okay, first let me explain the jQuery. Venkatesh Kumar asked that, sir, how to link this jQuery? I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir. I want to do that one. Then I'll do the buttons. Okay, I'll do the buttons, and I'll tell you how to take the button color also and where to read the button color also. I'll explain. Okay. Wait. One sec. One by one we'll go. Okay. First for Venkatesh Kumar doubt. jQuery. Sir, how to add jQuery? Go to this website, Venkatesh Kumar. jQuery. Go to this website. Okay. Search jQuery here. Click the website called jQuery. Okay. After going inside this website called jQuery, click this download button. Download button. Are you listening? Venkatesh Kumar, are you listening? Yes. Click the download button. Click the download button. Okay. After clicking this, it will redirect to this page. You are getting this page, huh? Wait, Nikhil. Let me fix your error. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Wait. One by one. You are getting this page, Venkatesh Kumar. You are getting this page. You are getting or not? Respond fast. Yes. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here we'll be having download the compressed production jQuery 3.6.0. This one is visible. This one is visible. This link. It will be visible. Click this link. Okay. Click this link. Just click this link. Click this link. It will redirect to this page. You are getting this page. You are getting this page. After that, copy this URL. Copy this URL. Go here. Go to your main page. Copy this URL. The selected URL. This URL. Is it visible? Is it visible? This URL. This URL. Is it visible? Sir, how run the code? I forgot. Okay. Copy this one. Copy this URL. After copying this, go to your project page. Inside the body, above popper.js, you have to create one script tag, script src tag. Okay, script src tag. Okay. In src, in source, you have to give dot. You have to paste the link. Whatever the copied URL will be there, right? Paste here. That's it. jQuery will be added. Understood? Venkatesh Kumar, understood? Good. After this, guys, those who are asked for button, okay, click the button here. Click the button here. Button tag. Click the button tag here. Okay. Once you are done with this button tag, you click me as a content. This one everyone knows, right? HTML we have learned this one. Okay. Again called click me. Again one more. Create multiple buttons. Create multiple buttons. Button. Click me. Okay. Click me. Button. Click me. Okay. Like this. Now let me call each and every button. Create one class. Class name should be btn space btn hyphen danger. Okay, hyphen danger. And one more button, create one more class, btn danger, like this. Not danger, this time success. Okay. So why we use links? Because of CDN. This is CDN way of linking Bootstrap. Okay, this is CDN way of linking Bootstrap. So I had copied this link. Instead of copy last script, I had link that had mentioned in the body tag. Which one, Sumit Kumar? Yeah. Sir, without we can place jQuery of script tag anywhere in the body, or it should be the first tag, sir. It should be the first tag. Okay, always this is the order. Follow this order, guys. If you mismatch the order, your output will not trigger. Sometime your output will not going to be triggered. So this is the order. You have to follow this order. Okay. First, they have created JavaScript. Top of JavaScript, they have created popper.js. Top of popper.js, they have created jQuery. Okay. This is the order. Follow this order. Okay. Follow this order. Create one more class called btn hyphen primary. Okay. And create one more class called btn dark. Okay. btn dark. And create one more class. Hey, Sayan Bera, right now, whatever the things we are using, this class and all are bootstrap, man. Okay, without this link, these classes will not work. This classes, inbuilt property of this class will not work. Understood? Create one more button and call class here btn warning. Okay, let me like this. Okay, now check. Open with live server. Now I'm having different button with different color. Understood? No, sir. I said where use in website. Website you want a real time example you want a go to this website called Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. I don't know Twitter they are using or not. Let me check. They are using Express.js, Node.js. They are not mentioning. Okay, fine. Let it be. Yeah. We'll be going to something like Paytm. Maybe let me check Paytm. Some websites are using Bootstrap. Okay, let me check. No, this one also not using. Yeah, Udemy. Udemy.com. Udemy.com. They are using Bootstrap. They are using Python. That is the one. Bootstrap. Maybe they are not mentioning it. Varnish. No, they are not mentioning here. Maybe lot of websites. Like what? I forgot. Lot of websites are using Bootstrap. Maybe Uber Eats. Maybe this website is using Bootstrap, I think. They are using NVIDIA. Okay, they are disclosing. I don't know. Okay, what are the technology we are using here? We are using jQuery and we are using Bootstrap. See, we are using UI framework called Bootstrap programming languages. Not yet started. Let's show the notes. Okay, later I'll show that stats. What are the technology they are using? Okay, guys, take down this. Take down this. Okay, take down this, then I'll show the notes. Okay. Done now? Everyone done with this? Okay. Next, Bootstrap. Bootstrap notes. What are the things are, if you are using CDN link, what are the things are good? I'll tell you. If we are using Bootstrap, CDN link, if we are using Bootstrap through CDN, we can reduce the memory. We can reduce the memory space. We can reduce the memory space. It will run efficiently. It will run efficiently, and internet connection mandatory for this, mandatory while using CDN. CDN. Okay, while using CDN. That's it. Yeah, okay, Maheshwar, they are using. Okay, fine. Sir, in our website, poor internet connection, please show code, sir. Okay, wait. CDN means content delivery network. Okay, CDN means what? Content delivery network. In HTML, I explained to both the batches. Content delivery network. Okay, CDN means content delivery network. Okay, that is nothing but URL. That's it. URL are compressed version of technology. That's it. Even Python also, there will be in a compressed manner. JavaScript also in compressed manner. jQuery also in compressed manner. All the technology, they are having CDN links. Nowadays, they are using CDN links for to reduce the memory space, as well as did I install any Bootstrap here? Any Bootstrap did I install? No, right? Through CDN link only, we are achieving all the Bootstrap. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to download Bootstrap. I'll tell you. Okay. After downloading, we'll wind up the class. We'll wind up the class for today. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Sir, I'm getting all my output in white color. Why, sir? Sandhu Priya, check your links. You have made mistake in linking. Okay, check your links. Complete the notes issue. Okay, take down the notes. Then I'll share the codes. Then I'll show the code. Take the code also. Then I'll show the downloading process.